Hello. Hi, everybody. I have a haul from Dollar Tree. I went there today and I spent a little bit too much money. I seem to do that, but they had some really great stuff for organizing. I got two of these. Let me take this out of here. I got two of these today, and these are, I got two because these are for like pencils and tools. Oops. I just want to show you how cool this is because this top part right here is perfect for my boop, 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 micro brushes. And then there's one right here for my cute popsicle sticks. This one right here, my blade cut, my sharp tools I put in there. My brushes, especially the makeup brushes that I use mostly, they're so easy to fit in here because they're not that tall. And then I have Q-tips down here. So I got two of these. I think that's like a pretty good deal. I'm probably going to take a binder clip and hook them together. Then it'll make it sturdier, or I'm just going to glue it together. And it'll give me a much sturdier instead of like two not real sturdy. So let me move this out of the way. Oh, I got to check, so I'll be right back. Okay, well, I didn't have the right microphone plugged in, so hopefully this one I'm not going to change it. All right, I also got one of these, multi-purpose organizers. Love the color. And I also got the same color. They seem to have a whole bunch of this stuff, I guess because it's school time right now. But they also had this organizer. I'm not going to open it right now. Maybe I will. Let me get this out of the way. So I got that. And this is actually a very good deal for the $1.25. Really good deal. Because I love that it's actually like five pieces. And I don't know how these work, but I know that somehow... Oh, that hooks on. Okay, here's how it does. You can hook them all together. I didn't realize that. I had no idea. So yeah, they hook all together, I guess with a little bit of persuasion. That's pretty interesting because you can just keep adding and keep hooking. Be really good for drawers. I don't have a dresser, but I got a lot of stuff that I'm trying to get organized. So I also like that it just fits right in there, even though what good does it do if you can't put stuff in it? Okay. Oh, they don't always have these, but these are really great. These moisture eliminators. This has nothing to do with crafts, but I live in a house with a lot of moisture because I live really close to the beach, and also let's just say there's a lot of water in my yard. I don't want to go to it. I live in a really I like where I live. It's a blessing. Okay, so anyway, this stuff is amazing. You just, especially I keep this in the bathroom because there's no window, there's no fan or anything in my bathroom, and these fill up with water surprisingly fast, and you just chuck them. Or yeah, it sounds like a shame, but yeah, it's pretty nasty water. I wouldn't want to keep it. And I got some of this cheap plastic wrap because I am going to be doing that plastic wrap over the resin. And I'm trying to find the best plastic wraps to do it. Because so far, I'm having a real hard time with getting thin enough, cheap enough plastic wrap to do what I want it to do. Coming soon to a video near you. You'll see. These are the bomb diggity. They only had two left. these are storage containers, which I'm going to use for my stickers. I have a lot of stickers. Oh, that just made me think of Marvelous Artsy, because she just got some stickers and containers. But she got the nice containers from Michael's. She got one from there. But that's okay. These will do fine for me, and these will fit on my shelf that I'm trying to use. So I got 2 of those. Big old cereal container. For those of you that don't go to Dollar Tree and you don't know what you're missing, big old container that I can put, look, it's huge. I can put my cereal in this and not have to worry about sharing my food budget with any non-participating creatures that might live here. Okay. Now this I thought was awesome. I had never seen this before. This Paracord. This one, I don't know if you can see it. It kind of is green and orange and yellow. And this one is just turquoise blue. But this you get 25. Alright, I need my Sherlock Holmes thing here. It's an 1/8 of an inch paracord, and you get 25 feet for that $1.25. And what I want to use this for is hanging like my butterflies, because I hang all my little butterflies that I make from like the trees, and this would actually make a really cute, you know, the thing that you hang from the butterflies like that. But I love this because this is like the color. I don't know, you might be able to see it. You probably can see better than I can. But I thought that was a really good deal, and definitely gonna play with that. Gonna maybe even figure out something else. Oh, oh, and I got Doggy Pads. These aren't for my crafts, but you know, a lot of people do use these to put down on their work surfaces. I know I've seen some people do that, and it's actually a pretty good idea. These are 22 by 22, and 5 came in here, so they're 25 cents each. But I need these for El Pucho, little Ripley. What else did I get? I know we need to get to the craft stuff. We sort of are. I got myself one of those cotton kitchen towels. Flour sock towel. I love these, and I use these for my crafts. That's what this is, and I also got this there before, but you can see I use these up because I don't like the way that those fiber ones feel on my fingers. It gives me the heebie-jeebies. I don't like it at all. Not at all. Okay, so I got that. Alright, well, I'll show you some craft stuff. Look at this! Look how cute this is. I love this. This has a little bit of like green, I don't know. I have to open it. I think these are so cool. Let me look at it with my magnifying glass. Yeah, they do have little bits of green and green. They look like sterling silver under the magnifying glass. So I'm real excited about these. They're, you know, they're that plastic stuff. Only one-sided, but that's fine. I think these are going to be super, super cute in some resin projects. Maybe even one that I've been thinking about doing. And they also had these, the hearts. I'm going to take them out because I think it's easier to see what they look like. Yeah, these are really cool. Really, really cool. I love like this one right here because it's got so much texture to it. Well, they all do. And actually, I bet you that this could be stained with a little bit of alcohol ink, which, I can't believe I actually put everything away. because I was gonna try it. Well, when I make something with them, I'm gonna see if I can stain it with just a little bit of alcohol ink. They also had the same type, but this is colored, like plasticky metal looking stuff. Oh, I thought I got a lot more stickers than that. Wow. Oh, okay. Can I get you up? I think these are really pretty. Kind of an Asian look to them. But it's really beautiful. I really like these. And these again, oh, enamel. That's what these look like enameled flowers. So these, I think these are really cute. I want to definitely use these. I always buy stuff like this and then I don't use it. Ugh. Oh, and some stamps, which I'm all about the love. All about it. So I think trying to get it. Oh, there. You don't have a lot of glare on there. The heart, the love, the jars, heart of hearts, all this stuff. I'm all about let's all love each other. So that's perfect. I got some Loctite glue, which really surprised me because this was $1.25. And the blue is the one that works on everything. I know that they all do, but somebody told me that I needed the blue to put something plastic together, I think. I don't remember. I don't remember, but I know that when I saw this, I was like, I have to have this. Oh, this is fun. Fun, look at this. Look at this. I love the colors on this. Woo. Mardi Gras, here we come. Look at that. This is a hanging doorway thing. But you know what a resoner would do with this? Chop it up into confetti glitter. Confetti. Look at the colors in that. Isn't that just like, oh, that's so pretty, pretty, pretty. I don't know if, I don't know what are, I'm going to just look at one. Because I can't tell if it's color changing or if it's each one. I still can't tell. Let's see, is it color changing? No. How cool though. The colors just, oh. Mardi Gras, I just, one day I'm going to go to Mardi Gras. Oh, look how fun this is. Look at these. These are super thin. And these were in the school supply. These weren't even over with the stickers. And I can tell you right now that the color is not coming through as cute as the color is. This is hot, hot pink. Hot, hot pink. And it doesn't look hot pink at all. It looks melony. But no, these colors are vibrant. Woof. Woo. But how cute is this? Oh, it's just like, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to have it. I thought about a lot more. Oh, well, maybe I didn't. I got some Jim Beam and brown bourbon vanilla coffee. And the angel on my shoulder said, get the sugar-free, made with stevia, Russell Stover's caramel candy. These are delicious. Made with stevia, they are delicious. They're usually like $3-4 for a pack like this in the store at Walmart. Makes me crazy. They're so expensive. Now the little creature on the other side of my shoulder said, oh, but you gotta get a Godiva. Can't always be good. Oh, gosh, I love Godiva. And these are really good. You get 3 little bonbons in here that are crunchy, like Rice Crispy Crunchy on the outside, dark chocolate, and then the inside is creamy chocolate. And I think a hazelnut's in there. I don't know. I eat them pretty fast. And then I also got, oh, more craft stuff. Okay, let me put these out of sight, out of mind. Okay. As a matter of fact, once I stick them over in the corner there, I'll forget they were there for a few months. These cheap flowers, man, I couldn't even believe, because usually I look at their flowers and I just kind of go, nah, no, 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 no. But these are actually really cute. I'll probably take them off of these stems, and then maybe put my own little like bead or something in there. I don't know what I'll do, but the color on these is just beautiful. And I'll use these too, because I'll cut these up. And yeah, this really surprised me. They had some really pretty colors of this, and they had some really soft, almost like, oh, I can't explain it. I'm not even going to try. But they had some leaves that I've never seen there before that were like pale purple, pale pinks, and pale colors and fall colors. And the leaves were made out of a fabric that it was almost like angel wing or something. Oh my goodness, it was so cute. And I got this, a magazine thing. But this also, I was thinking to put like the stamps that are too big for those orange things, because I have some that are like big, like those big long ones that you get at Dollar Tree. They're ginormous, but you use them for coasters. Well, my goodness, I can't believe that's everything that I'm showing you. I mean, I got a teeth whitener. What else did I get? That can't be everything. Maybe it is. I was trying to be careful. But still, what's in this bag? More treats. Okay. Well, we certainly don't need to go through all the treats. Because they do sell something there, though, that I am kind of addicted to. I'll show you. These toast cheese sandwich crackers, this company is over 100 years old, and they started the company according to their little story on the back, which I hope is true. They started it making their own peanut butter, and then they still are in business and they're still making their own peanut butter. And I love peanut butter and crackers. And this is like a snack that I keep around. Like sometimes in the evening when I take my medicine, my stomach gets upset. Oh, I forgot to take my medicine. Darn it. Shoot. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I sure thought I got a lot more. I could swear it came to like $30, and I was like, no. But then I thought, well, I'm going to use this, and I needed some of it. Didn't need snacks, but okay. Thanks for stopping by and seeing what I bought at the store today. See you again real soon. I'm going to be posting another video as soon as I can. Bye. Bye.